we are visiting, no, according to Google, one of the greatest Thai kings, no, unbeaten, undefeated. So we decided to make a stopover. We were going out of Lampang, going to Ayutthaya today for a 6 to 7 hour drive. But we need to have some something, no, to cover or a memory for Sampang. It turned out this is one of uh, best siguro statue or monument of heroism of one of Thai kings. So, unbeaten daw, no? Unbeaten, a warrior, no? So, during the old times, no, yung mga manok, rooster. Baka sa bungiro na king to. Anong name niya, Mai? The name of the king, the Thai king? Ha? Mahilig sa manok, siguro sa bungiro din to. Mahilig sa cockfighting. Baka cockfighting started in Thailand. You know? Daming manok, no? It's always sign of masculinity ba? Kami na actually yung guest ngayon, no? But you see, nakapalibot, daming manok. Why is it? Anybody can comment? Nakapalibot. Mga cockfighting really started here in Thailand. Ito sa likod niya. You have roosters everywhere. Parang mga subject siguro niya, mga mga yan, no? And then of course, may mga horses, elephants. Kanina I saw a dog o horse yon. And the huge elephant. One of the greatest Thai kings daw. Okay, last look. Here, na angle.